Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the detailed process of upgrading your Lenovo IdeaPad 317 IKB. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your laptop's components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. For those who may not feel comfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful while doing this to avoid damaging any clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Now, let's clean the internal area. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and heatsinks. This is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and cooling performance. If you need assistance, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes it hassle-free. Next, let's move on to the upgrade. If you are adding RAM, locate the memory slots. Gently release the clips on either side of the RAM module and insert the new RAM stick. Ensure it's securely in place before pressing down until you hear a click. For those unsure about the specifications, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you get the right components. After upgrading the RAM, if you wish to replace or upgrade the SSD, locate the SSD slot. Remove the screw holding the SSD in place, and gently slide it out. Insert the new SSD at an angle, making sure it's properly seated, and secure it with the screw. Once all upgrades are complete, it's time to reattach the back panel. Carefully align the panel with the clips and press down until you hear them snap into place. Then, replace the screws back into their respective slots. Ensure everything is tightly secured, as loose screws can cause internal damage. Before powering on the laptop, double-check your work. If you are not comfortable with the process, remember that we offer no calls, no travel solutions for your convenience, allowing you to upgrade your laptop without leaving your home. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 317 IKB and check if the system recognizes the new hardware. Enter the BIOS setup to ensure the new RAM or SSD is detected correctly. This step is crucial for maximizing your device's performance. With these upgrades completed, your laptop should now run smoother and faster. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.